The time will probably come when you need a polisher. It may be because you're working with epoxy resin, or like me, you want the luxury of a high power sanding device. So let's unbox and I may butcher the name, EneAcro Polisher and get dirty. It comes with some great reading material that you can place on the back of the toilet to browse over while you are, well, you know. There is also an extra set of replacement brushes. This is not a brushless machine. So the first thing we have is the fine and rough sponge wheels. Next we have the wool polisher for finishing work. Now the only time I work with resin is when I do my bar tops. I used to do all the finishing by hand, which is a lot of tedious work. So these will come in super handy to speed up that process. Next, we have the 6 and 7-inch hook and loop wheels. All of the pads that come with this machine will simply attach to these wheels, making it super convenient to just stick them and go. And when did Velcro get renamed to hook and loop? Anyway, you will also get 8 400 grit sanding discs. This was my main interest in purchasing this polisher, allowing me to sand anything quick, fast, and in a hurry. I will set up a quick test to see how well it sands after the unboxing is finished. So if you're going to be using this for polishing epoxy resin, you'll need to get some higher grit sandpaper. We can also use this to fix those foggy headlight covers, which is similar to the process of finishing resin. Here we have 2 different handles that you can attach. If you want to use the side handle, we can simply thread it in on either side of the machine. If you are interested in the D handle, you will need this little bag of bolts with the hex key to bolt it in. Then, of course, the machine itself has a variable speed dial that will allow you to control the speed from 1500 to 3500 RPM. Fairly lightweight with a very impressive cord length. Has a button at the top to lock the motor, allowing you to thread the 6 or 7-inch wheels. The trigger has a locking button that will allow you to lock the trigger in the on position, and simply by pulling the trigger again, it will release the lock. So I am excited to set this up with the side handle, the 6-inch disc, and a piece of the 400 grit sandpaper to try it out. I have 3 lines here, a pencil, marker, and Sharpie. Let's fire this monster up and see how well it removes them. It may take a little bit with the 400 grit, but here we go. Well, it cut through those a lot quicker than I thought. I did not speed up the video and ran it in real time, and you can see that it made quick work of removing these sample lines. So you can imagine how fast it could sand with a 120 or 150 grit sandpaper. Now, the book says that you should allow this machine to cool down if you use it 6 hours continuously, so keep that in mind. Well, there you have it. If you are looking for a polisher for resin work, high-speed sanding, or a polishing machine for your car, check out the EneAcro Polisher. I will link this machine in the comment section, as well as a multi-pack of no-hole, various grit 6-inch sanding discs that I'm going to order for woodworking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments section, and I will get to them as soon as possible. Until next time, keep it safe.